we are going to consider one more type of packing, that is from square close packed layers. In this case, we are going to take the first layer. In the depressions formed in the square close packed layers, we are going to place second layer spheres. In the depressions formed of this second layer sphere, either nadve, we are going to place the third layer sphere. In the third layer spheres, in the depressions of third layer spheres, we are going to place the fourth layer spheres, and so on. We continue with even with fifth layer. So what we observe, the first, third and fifth layer spheres are exactly one over the above. So they are all similar. We call them as A layers. Similarly, second, fourth layer spheres are same. We are going to call them as B layers. So this type of arrangement, it gives us AB type arrangement. So what is this AB type arrangement? How we get it? We place the given layer spheres in the depressions formed of its previous layers. So we observe the unit cell. In unit cell ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು? We see that the unit cell contains, ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So if at all we observe this portion, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ the atoms are located at the corners. Atoms are located at the corners of a cube, and also the atoms are present at the body center. So this type of arrangement, it is called as body centered cubic unit cell. So the atoms are located at each of the corner of a cube. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು lattice points ಬಂತು? lattice points ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ atom ಇರ್ತದೆ. So there are 9 lattice points. So 9 lattice points, 8 corner atoms and 1 at the body centered atom. Next, what is the coordination number? How to find the coordination number? So coordination number of, say, the central atom. Coordination number of this central atom should be equal to how much? So it is touched by how many other spheres? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner atoms, they are touching this because in their depression this is fitting. Similarly, 4 at the bottom, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. So altogether the coordination number is 8. Next, how many atoms are there in this unit cell? So there are 4 corner atoms. There are 8 corner atoms. Each corner atom contributes 1/8 portion. Andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದ್ದು? 1/8 into 8 andre 1. And there is one body centered atom which entirely belongs to the unit cell. So 1 plus 1 is 2 atoms. So in all there are 2 atoms in this unit cell. Right? So ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು how we can represent it by diagrammatically simple schematic diagram ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. 8 corner atoms and the one body centered atom. This structure is BCC structure. So close packing in 3 dimensions to get BCC structure. In this case, second layer spheres are placed over the first layer in such a way that the spheres of upper layer fit in the depressions of the layer below it. Similarly, we continue to place more layers. We find that alternate layers are identical to give AB type arrangement. Its unit cell is BCC unit cell with 9 lattice points, 2 atoms per unit cell, and 8 is the coordination number. Actually ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲದ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ನಾ ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೂ ಅವರು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ how many lattice points are there in simple cubic unit cell, what is the number of atoms, calculation of number ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ BCC ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಟೈಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂತು ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನನ್ನು ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.